Okay, must see the next problem. Determine P such that the function f of z is 1 by 2 log x square plus y square plus I tan inverse px by y be analytic function. Here the question is change, you observe ma. Determine P, that means find the value of P. When we find the value of P, what is the given data such that the function is analytic. So you take the function is analytic and then find value P. Okay. So what is data here? The given function is analytic. That means already we have given the function is analytic, which means already we have given CR equation satisfied. You observe that. So write the given function as it is. What is u? This real part is u. Imaginary part tan inverse px by y. Okay ma. It is analytic function. Given function is analytic. So it satisfies CR equations. Okay. Now u is real part 1 by 2 log x square plus y square and v is tan inverse px by y. What is dou u by dou x? 1 by 2 constant as it is, log function derivative 1 by x square plus y square and x square derivative with respect to x means x square derivative 2x. Okay. Next v tan inverse p by y. Okay ma. Dou u by dou x is 1 by 2 log function derivative is this d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by 1 plus x square, again x square plus y square derivative with respect to x. X square derivative is 2x, y square derivative 0 because with respect to x partial derivative. Similarly dou v by dou x is there. Now we see dou u by dou y is this, dou v by dou y is 1 by tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now tan inverse in place of x we have px by y. So dou v by dou y is 1 by 1 plus px by y whole square into derivative of px by y means px constant pakkan pettandi, derivative of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. On simplification you get this is p square x square by y square, LCM y square తీస్తే ఇక్కడ y square ఈ డినామినేటర్ y square న్యూమరేటర్ లోకి వెళ్తుంది. On simplification you get y square by y square plus this one minus px by y square. Now the given function is analytic function, f of z satisfies CR equations. What is the first CR equation? Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. What is dou u by dou x? This one. This is equal to dou v by dou y is this. So equate these two terms. You get what is dou u by dou x? Here 1 by 2 to cancel both a numerator la x by x square plus y square. That is dou u by dou x. Dou v by dou y. On simplification of this term, you get this one. Okay. Simplify this one, dou v by dou y. This is dou v by dou y. On simplification you get this one. So see the next step. See the next step. Comparing the equations, we get comparing the equations. Here x is there. Here x into 1 it means. So x cancel in numerator. Denominator equate the numerator on numerators. X is equal to minus px. What is p? Minus 1. Okay. Compare the equations. First you equate the numerators. X is equal to minus px, which means p is equal to minus 1. It satisfies denominators also equal cheste. P square means plus 1 kabatti x square plus y square. This is also x square plus y square. So it's satisfied. So you equate the or comparing the both numerators, you get p value which is minus 1. So once again I repeat, determine the value of p such that the given function is analytic. So here the given function is analytic, which means CR equation satisfied. Now let the real part u and imaginary part v. Derivative dou u by dou x find out chesam. Similarly dou v by dou y cheste chalu. Ee rendu cheste chalumma. Dou u by dou x and dou v by dou y. Ee rendu find out cheste chalu. This one and this one. Ee rendu find out cheste chalu because ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ సరిపోతుంది, ఒక వాల్యూ, ఒక అన్నోన్ వాల్యూ పీ కనుక్కోవడానికి ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ చాలు. కాబట్టి లెట్ ద సిఆర్ ఈక్వేషన్ డో యూ బై డో ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డో వి బై డో వై. దిస్ వాల్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ వాల్యూ. ఈక్వేట్ ఆర్ కంపేర్ దీస్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, equate the numerators, you get p is equal to -1. See the next problem. Prove the function f of z defined by f of z is equal to x cube into 1 plus I minus y cube into 1 minus I by x square plus y square for z is not equal to 0 and f of 0 is equal to 0. That means this is the function for z is not equal to 0 and f of z, in place of z 0 పెట్టినప్పుడు f of 0 is equal to 0 second step, is continuous. Show that the function is continuous and CR equation satisfied at origin. Origin means z is equal to 0. 0 దగ్గర కంటిన్యూస్ అవుతుందని చూపించాలి, ఆరిజిన్ దగ్గర CR ఈక్వేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతాయని చూపించాలి. ఎట్ f'0 డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. ఇక్కడ f'0 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కాకపోయినా సరే CR ఈక్వేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతాయి, కంటిన్యూస్ అని చూపించాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ డివైడ్ ది క్వశ్చన్ ఇంటూ 3 parts. ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు షో దట్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఈస్ కంటిన్యూస్ ఎట్ origin. Origin means z is equal to 0. కాబట్టి first part we are going to show that f of z is continuous at origin. Second part, CR equation satisfied at origin. Okay, see now we see the solution. Solution, given f of z is given function as it is, to show that the function is continuous at z is equal to 0. We know limit z tends to 0, f of z is equal to f of 0. Then see the definition in the first class ma, limit z tends to 0, f of z is equal to f of 0, then we say function is continuous. So we start with this function, limit z tends to 0, f of z is equal to, limit z means x tends to 0, y tends to 0, because z is equal to x plus I by x cube into 1 plus I minus y cube into 1 minus I by x square plus y square. Okay, then f of z is equal to, put y tends to 0 first, y, substitute y is equal to 0 first, what you get, denominator is x square plus 0 means x square, this one, and numerator put y is equal to 0, 0 into anything is 0, so numerator is only x cube into 1 plus I. This is, now calculate x square, in numerator you get only x term, x into 1 plus I, limit x tends to 0. Now substitute x limit, in place of x you put 0, 0 into 1 plus I means 0. Now f of z is equal to f of 0. Okay, okay ma, LHS is limit z tends to 0 f of z and you get 0. 0 means we have given f of 0 is 0, so 0 is equal to f of 0. So start with this step, limit z tends to 0 f of z, finally it is f of 0, so f of z is continuous at origin. We know that limit z tends to 0 f of z is f of 0, then we say f of z is continuous at origin. We have finished the first part. We show that f of z is continuous at origin. Next, see the second one. To show that CR equation satisfied at origin, given f of z is this one, write it as, separate the numerator terms, real terms and I into terms. Now this is u, real part, and I into remaining one is v. Now what is u? This one is u, x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square, and v is x cube plus y cube by x square plus y square. Now we see CR equations, see the at origin, CR equations at origin. Okay ma? Now dou u by dou x, at origin we have special formulae, limit x tends to 0, u of x0 minus u of 0 0 by x, u of x0, this is u of xy, x0 means put y is equal to 0, this is u of xy, u is nothing but u of xy. Okay, now u of x0, x as it is, in place of y you put 0, in place of y you put 0, you get x cube minus 0 by x square plus 0, you get only x here, u of 0 0, both x and y 0, you get 0 value. Okay, now dou u by dou y is like this, limit y tends to 0, u of 0 y minus u of 0 0 by y, dou u by dou y is minus y minus 0 by y, which is minus y.